Hi guys, me Kel. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial again of how to update your profile. Um, Last video I did, we did a tutorial on how to animate your interactive buttons, your mix play buttons. But today we're gonna go another direction. We are going to show you how to update your profile so that your banners and your panels are animated as well. You can animate your everything in your profile can be animated. It's amazing. I love it. I spent about 15 hours the other day teaching myself how to make animations in Photoshop using the timeline feature. So I wanted to just show you guys how I did it, and then you guys can go ahead and take your profile to the next level and just go crazy with animations. Super unique. There's not very many people on Mixer that have animated profiles. I know of a few, but not a lot of people utilize it, and I think it would bring a lot of attention to your profile if you can direct people down to look at your profile. So what you want to do first is you can either create an animation like what I've done here in Photoshop, um, or you can get someone to make an animation for you. It would have to be like a GIF or an MP4 or whatever. And then the only thing you need to do is make it in a panel, right? The way Mixer profiles work, if you click on edit, these images, you add your images by clicking on the image button. But the way these work is they need a URL. That means the images need to be hosted. So what I use is Imgur. You can also use whatever image hosting site you choose that you want to use. Imgur, IBB, a few others. I use Imgur. It's simple and easy for me to do. So what you want to do is get your animation. You want to have the final product of what you want on your profile uploaded to Imgur or wherever else you're going to add your image. And then once it's done uploading and you're ready to go, you just simply right click and you click copy image address. And what that does is copy the image URL for this image, right? Then you go back to your profile, you scroll down to wherever you want it to go or wherever you want to update, click on the image, you right click, image properties, you enter that URL, you paste that URL that you just copied from Imgur or wherever, and you put it in the URL section. And then you can hyperlink it to wherever you want. Then you adjust the size, and then that's it. Just make sure this padlock icon is locked so that it adjusts both the width and the height at the same time, unless you have a custom image that needs to be stretched a certain direction. And then that's it. Pretty simple. Click save, you wait for it to upload, and then once it's done uploading, then it's public for everybody to see on your profile. Same thing that you do for buttons. And I guess I'll just go over this one more time. You want to animate your buttons. You create your button in the dev lab, the very bottom. We'll just go to the dev lab real quick. You go to mix play projects, click on your buttons, you go to your build, you pick whatever button you want down here at the bottom. Same thing. You upload an image to Imgur or wherever, and then you copy the image address, plug it into right here where it says background image, click save, go back to your Firebot or whatever bot that you're using, update it. Boom, there you go, updated. So uh, just reiterate, you can have your everything in your profile. I customize these specifically for my profile. If you guys have questions or comments, leave them below in the video, and I will respond to everybody that I can. You can also come right to my live stream, which I will leave a link in the description. I stream 6 days a week, every day except for Wednesday. So if you have questions and you want basically live help, hop into my live stream. I'm more than happy to help. And let's get making your profiles super unique. Have a good one.